Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how can buy a scrap helicopter. So it's called Scrappy because players called it somehow like that. So basically what we need to do is go to Outposts, so as you can see right here, and basically climb these ladders. So I'm going just to fly, and right here you'll find H panel where it says H, and you'll find an Airwolf vendor where you'll be able to buy a scrap helicopter. So right now I will go to Bandit Camp because I'm playing on the server where you can buy a Scrappy on Outpost. So I'm just going to Bandit Camp and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's go to Bandit Camp and basically I will show you where you need to buy that and how that person looks like. So you won't tell me like you are a scammer or you don't show anything. So as you can see, now I'm in the bandit camp and let's find H letter. So as you can see right here, and if you go to the guy, you'll see if it looks like this and just interact. Say I would like to buy an aircraft and transport helicopter, just pay the scrap, and as you can see, now we have 5 minutes to take this scrappy, otherwise others will be able just to sit to scrappy after 5 minutes too. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.